Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you see me before, welcome back. Today we are making a fall slash Halloween wreath, and I'm going to follow another YouTuber's tutorial to get this done because I've never made a wreath before. So all of the materials are in the description below. Also, the YouTuber that I'm following is on the description below. Let's get crafty. I got my little co-host in the back. I am watching her. She doesn't want to be in the playpen, so we are gonna make with what we have. Here's a quick view of the things I am using. Most of them are from the Dollar Tree. Not a sponsor, but call me. Anything else, any additional thing that I'm using, I am going to list it below. Ma'am, hello, I need that. Hey, wait. All right, so I'm currently sweating, not glistening, full on sweating, and the baby doesn't want to stay in her playpen, so we're off to a great start. All right, so we are going to start by opening the deco mesh, and please do not get any of those things. Thank you. I know you want to help me. You will help me by playing right back there. Okay, thank you. So I'm going to use this for the outside and then this for the inside. Oh, by the way, the channel I am following is Dave's Wreath and Things, and he has a really good video on how to make wreaths different ways. So I'm not gonna take that away from him because I am learning from him. But we are gonna find out to see if my creative self can actually get this done. Like, let's see how easy this really is or difficult. So we're gonna do this. I'm going to need one of these to have ready. So let's get a couple of pipe cleaners out, and we're gonna need to cut them to have them ready to tie this down here. So let's see. Ooh, it is hot. All right. My little co-host. No, don't you touch the scissors. You can't touch scissors. When you get older, you can. Not right now, mommy. What you trying to do with scissors? Ma'am, I do not need your attitude, okay? Let's be nice. Okay. So we're going to. You're playing games with me, with Dave. You're playing games. All right, so let's do this. Yeah, well, that's not on. You can play with that right now. Wish me luck. All right, so according to Dave's channel, we are supposed to tie this down here and secure it with a pipe cleaner. I did not know this was going to be shedding this much. So I'm going to have to vacuum the bed after. Good on me. Okay. All right. And also that. All right. And then we turn it around. All right. So according to Dave, we turn it over and we like just fold it in half and kind of keep on gathering it. And I don't know, this is not looking like his wreath. So Dave, I don't know, man. Don't fail me, please. I'm really trying to do something good here. I don't know, maybe my stuff is too big, or maybe when I put the other one it's gonna go like that and it's gonna look better, but right now it's looking kind of sus.
Second section of the same procedure.
Wait, I think I'm doing this wrong. Not only that, he's clearly right-handed and I'm left-handed, so this is just a whole different. Okay, all right. We'll just take it out and start over. I think it's like this. I think we go like this. Let's see if this works better, because I'm about to lose it. Okay. It's trying to grab everything, so this is gonna be a great video. It's fine. It's fine. I'm fine. I love you. All right, you go play. Here. Woo! Play, and I'll try to do this again. All right, so we are going to focus over here. Okay, so maybe what I was doing was wrong, because it was doing this, and we're supposed to just gather this. Feed it with the left and gather it with the right. Let's see how this is looking. Oh, you see, this makes a lot more sense. Yeah. Okay. Now when you get to, like, if you have enough gathering going on, you just go to the next. I'm still not fully convinced this is right. All right, so we keep on pulling until we get enough gathering done. I think we have enough gathering done. No, we don't. And now we move on to the next section. And same thing, just gather. I'm almost convinced that I am feeding this thing in here wrong, but we are way too far in to go back. Dave shows you how to make the right wreath, and I'm showing you what to do when it goes wrong. You know, when you're trying something new and it just goes completely off. Okay. And now we go and move on to the next one. Oh, this is definitely a learning experience. All right, let's go with the magic of camera and see how it looks when it's done. All right, so I finally am finishing this part, and I went through the whole row, so something to keep in mind, get a big one. Also, it is very hard. It is a lot harder than Dave makes it seem, but it's not impossible. I mean, clearly he has a lot of practice doing this, so by now it's probably second nature to him. And I do thank him for making the tutorial, because without it, I will be completely lost. So I just finished. I think this is as good as that's going to get. So, let me see if I can. You know, it's alright. It's alright. Not bad. So now we're going to do the inside, and this keeps getting stuck. This is great. Now we're gonna do the inside, so let's see how this goes. Ugh. Okay, so yay me. I got the outside done, and now I'm trying to get the inside done, and didn't realize that this type of deco mesh is super sticky, and it keeps on sticking to one another. And the baby in the back doesn't want to be in the playpen. I literally just put her in, okay? So, but yeah, it's getting stuck to everything, so this is fun. All right, guys, so the baby's finally sleeping, and we have a finish. Well, at least we have the deco mesh on it. I should've, would've. I'm slowly losing my mind. My should've, could've, would've part of this episode, I definitely should have bought one more of these rolls, maybe even one more of the deco mesh, so it could be fuller. But we're gonna work with what we have, and we have a couple of little things to put on it so it could look more full. So let's do that. I'm gonna use a hot glue gun so I can get most of the things in. These bad boys look like they wrap around, so I'm gonna try that. And let's see how it looks. At this point, I am not trying to hot glue anything directly on this wire because I'm trying to use it again for other holidays. So this time on these have a wire on them. So I'm just kind of putting that wire in and folding it so they can stay on. And that way, see? And it's not going anywhere. And the same thing with these little pumpkins. I'm just trying to use the least amount of glue as possible so it's easy to deassemble when the time comes. Alright, so the roses that were on this, I took them apart, literally just took them out like that. And the leaves, and I'm just individually placing them around so I can go ahead and glue them. Those I'm gonna hot glue, definitely. And so far, it's looking like this. Not bad for my first wreath. Guys, this took me a long time. Not only that, it took me a lot of effort. So please, if you like this video, please like below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos about different tutorials and the new arts and crafts that I'm coming up with for each holiday, birthday, etc. Thank you guys. Love you. Bye. I'm not gonna lie. At this point, I look and feel a little defeated, even though I'm also feeling very accomplished because I got it done. I'm gonna put this on the front door, and I hope everybody that comes in likes it and gets in the Halloween spirit. Notice my mood changed from like the very beginning of the video to like now. Also, I don't want to speak loud because I don't want to wake the baby up. It took me long enough to get her to sleep, so for you mamas, keep doing what you're doing, okay? I know how hard it is. So yeah, I'm pretty satisfied for it being my first wreath. Definitely could do it better next time, but for now, I'm happy.